This is your spacious and beautiful living area. And this is your beautiful kitchen area, which comes your beautiful and the spacious home theater area. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jetal and today we are here at Casa Grand Handford, which is located in Mamdipalli, Samshabad, South Hyderabad. And today we are here to check out their 4 BHK plus home theater sample villa. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And we are here on the actual site. So this is the actual site where the construction work is going on. So right here is the marketing office and the sample villa is just behind the marketing office itself. Now let me introduce you with Housey. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So why to worry? Book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project is being constructed on total 10.1 acre of land parcel, consisting of total of 140 villas, and all the villas are XXX 4 BHK plus home theater. Now about the amenities part, and this project provides you 60 plus indoor and outdoor amenities with British style clubhouse, rooftop swimming pool, gymnasium, cafe, adventure rock climbing, and many more. Now coming to the location part, and this project is located on Mamdipalli Road in Samshabad, South Hyderabad. So let me show you that this is the Mamdipalli Road, and this road on the back end side will connect you towards Airport Road. Now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to RGI Airport in just 5 minutes. Outer Ring Road, exit number 16 and 14 is 10 minutes away from the project. Adani Aerospace Park is 9 minutes away. Feb City is 22 minutes away from the location of the project. So this is your 188 square yard of 4 BHK plus home theater, and will take a staircase for your main entrance. And before you enter, let me show you, here's a smart lock system for your privacy. And now once you enter, this is your spacious and beautiful living area. So you can check out how beautifully the interior work is done for your reference. So you can set your sofa set in front of the TV unit. Now exactly over this side is your dining area. So you can set your dining table over here. One thing to mention, here they have provided a balcony. So once you open your windows, this becomes a stunning balcony with iron railing. And over this side, they have provided a space which takes you towards the outer area. And this is that area with anti-skid wooden finishing flooring, where you can just add up your couch table and enjoy a sip of coffee. So basically this is a dry area, the utility area which connects you to your kitchenette area as well. Now with the easy access to your dining area, they have provided a kitchenette area which is right in front of the dining area. And this is your beautiful kitchen area with a beautiful interior work. You can check out, they have L-shaped platform over here with the cabinets. They have provided a horizontal window. And here's the access for your utility area. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom space. So there is one bedroom on the ground floor. Before moving further, over this side is your sink area, exactly beside your common washroom on the ground floor with anti-skid tiles, CP sanitary fittings and shower glass partition. And now this is your bedroom number 1. So once you enter this bedroom, you can check how cozy this bedroom is with a huge bed space. There's 2 windows for ventilation and lighting purpose. The wardrobe space over this side. Now just follow me and we'll be moving towards your floor number 1. So we'll be taking this staircase. You can check out the staircase as well with iron and wooden railing. So now we'll be taking a staircase for floor number 1. And you can check the staircase. Meanwhile, here's a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And once you enter this floor, here is the lounge area, which you can again use it in a multi-purpose way, where there is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose, where you can add up a couch as well like this. Now, this side is your puja room, the puja space. Now we'll be moving further towards your bedroom number 2. So your bedroom number 2 is on the first floor, and this is that bedroom. You can again check out a huge bed space over here. They have provided a standing balcony. So once you open your windows, it becomes a standing balcony with iron railing. And for cross ventilation, they have provided a cross window as well. There's ample of space to move around inside the room. Here's a cross ventilation window. You can even add up a couch like this over here. Here's a wardrobe space, your dressing area as well, and attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And now about the master bedroom. Yes, so the master bedroom is on this floor itself. Exactly over here. So once you enter this room, you can check out how spacious this room is. And you can check out this is a huge bed space with a couch area. Again over this side. Here's a much more space for the ventilation and the lighting purpose. This is a standing balcony with iron railing. For cross ventilation, they have even provided a window. Here's a perfect balcony with anti-skid tiles and toughened glass railing. Now, in this room, they have even provided here the wardrobe area, the walk-in wardrobe, not just a wardrobe, but a walk-in wardrobe. Here's a walk-in wardrobe, which is attached to your master washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. And even the bathing area is separated. Now we'll be moving towards another floor, that is floor number 2. But before that, let me inform you with all the key features of Housey. So, Housey is here with the actual location tool with such sample flight videos with the pros and cons of the project, payment scheme, EMI schedule and 360-degree location tool. All these features under Housey.com. So what are you waiting for? Schedule your free site visit by registering on www.housey.com. Now about your next floor. So now we'll be taking the staircase for your floor number 2. So again you can check here, they have provided a window for ventilation and lighting purpose. And now this is your floor number 2. So here you can add up your own decors and own interior space. So here there is one bedroom, that is bedroom number 4. Let me show you this bedroom. And this is the bedroom. You can check out the space with a bed space. Again, here's a standing balcony with iron railing. Here's a TV unit space, a couch area over here, a dressing area, and the wardrobe space. Even for cross ventilation, they have added up a cross window. Now about the attached washroom. So with this side, right behind me is the attached washroom with anti-skid tiles and CP sanitary fittings. Now let's move further. You can even check out over here. Here is a window for ventilation and lighting purpose in this area. And now here comes your beautiful and the spacious home theater area where they have provided us steps, and here they have provided a wooden finishing flooring. Isn't it much more spacious? And now about the open terrace area which is over this side. Right attached to your home theater is your open terrace area. Basically, they have provided a platform for your bar counter, a grill area, and toughened glass railing and a half wall structure. Here the flooring is anti-skid flooring. Now let's move further towards your main terrace area. For that again you have to move out from your home theater, and now we'll be taking the staircase. You can check out here's the iron and wooden railing they have provided with a window over here. This side is the machine provision for your washing machine. And here comes your open terrace area with a beautiful scenic view, anti-skid tiles, and the half wall structure over here. You can check out how spacious this area is. Over this side, they have provided a toughened glass railing. So this was all about your 4 BHK villa plus home theater in this project. How was it? Do let me know in the comment section below. And lastly, as you all know, we are here in Casa Grand Builders project. Have you checked out the project with this builder? If yes, then do let me know in the comment section below. Lastly, do not forget to give a thumbs up and do follow, subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process, or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.